Imagine dancing until your feet bleed, unable to stop even as you collapse from sheer exhaustion. This was the terrifying reality of the 1518 dancing plague, a bizarre medical anomaly that gripped Strasbourg. We will uncover what truly drove hundreds of people into this lethal, involuntary frenzy. It began when one woman, Frau Troffea, stepped into the street and danced for days. Within a month, 400 others joined her in a trance state. Authorities, believing they needed to dance it out, even built a stage and hired musicians to accompany them. But what caused this? Some suggest ergot poisoning from moldy bread, while others point to mass hysteria triggered by famine and disease. The most surprising theory is that it was a psychosomatic reaction to extreme religious stress. Could modern science finally explain this mass delusion? Stick around to see if your own brain could succumb to such a phenomenon. Ultimately, this tragedy reminds us how far human physiology can be pushed by psychological distress. The mystery persists as a chilling testament to the power of the mind over the body. If you found this history fascinating, hit subscribe and comment your own theories below.